Here we go on our way.
This is not natural. We were out here deep in the woods when we found this.
It's strange offerings.
These are mushrooms.
We have come upon a Bigfoot footprint.
No, just a big foot.
A Bigfoot. See how much larger it is? than our foot?
Let's get those city slickers. I'll make them squeal like a pig.
This mountain is filled with horrifying things, including a ghostly devil, skeleton face, and an alien. See how the tree goes through the house? Up through the roof. I got my foot in my mouth. Well, see, I have this in my mouth. So.